city of Green Acres is taking action against the property management company that oversees a condo where families were left without power for more than 2 weeks.
From the folks who live here in the 600 building at Lakeview Gardens condominiums in Green Acres say they lost power October 18th and nothing was done for days and days until they called CBS 12 News.
Please, because we're desperate. This is not a good situation because it's so hard here.
Yeah, the Condo Association Board has racked up enormous fines in connection with this complex.
Most families living inside a building at a Green Acres condominium complex are getting some relief after going without power for more than 2 weeks.
The city sent out a news release saying that 8 of the 10 units in the building had power restored through a temporary fix last night, and 2 other units remain without electricity.
After seeing our stories here on CBS 12 News, a local electrician came in on his own and made temporary emergency repairs to get the power back on.
And what we learned today, it was not Crest Management that made the temporary fix to get the electricity back on. Instead, city officials tell us it was Simon Electric. It's a company from Lake Worth Beach who made the temporary fix for no charge after learning of the problem.
Hey, so we're leaving the city council meeting in Green Acres, Florida. If you were watching, depending on how you viewed these recent episodes, you might see that we were speaking about this type of thing and helping. And it's a really good feeling when you have the opportunity to help somebody.
A building in the city of Green Acres that the electrical panel caught fire, and some individuals were living in unpreferred or conditions that were probably not fit for most people. This made the news. Our firefighters helped out. I know the city manager was very involved, but unfortunately we can only go so far. And it's always great when you have people from the community who willingly just, decide that they're going to step up and help those that are in need. And without us ever having to ask, they willingly stepped up and decided to help these. I believe it was 10 households.
10 units, correct?
10 households with infants. Elderly individuals in the household. So it's with great gratitude that I sit here today and I get to acknowledge these individuals, and I know that the council, I know our staff, and I know our fellow residents also appreciate the hard work, the dedication, and your selflessness to step up. So I would like to call Simon Electric to come up.
I don't know what else to say other than it does give me like a real good feeling that when I'm able to help in a meaningful way. And it's not often that I have the opportunity to help in a way that really means something, and that not expecting anything in return. It's just a clean, happy feeling for me. So I'm actually grateful for that. So thank you. And for me, like I said, there is slight selfish motivations behind it because I do get such a refreshing feeling and a rejuvenating feeling when I help somebody else, and especially when I try to do it when there's little to no recognition. The recognition feels great. I mean, this is a lovely evening they invited us out to and wanted to take the time to do, but so it's just it's important, I feel, that we all step up if and when we can.
I just want to give a big shout out to Simon Electrics for stepping up, helping people in need in our community, and that's when you truly know that you have a great community around you, when people step up for those and help those that are in need. As we're approaching the holidays, it's even better because it's a time of giving. but this person didn't do it just because they had to, it's because they wanted to. They answered the call, and we're extremely appreciative of Simon Electric's and the Healing Heart Foundation for truly stepping up and helping those less fortunate because of a tragic accident. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, and the City of Green Acres, we truly say thank you.
So if you're in the position where you can help somebody, you know, I guarantee you there's no better feeling than being helpful for help's sake alone. And I've been the beneficiary of help many times in my life, so the least they can do is pay it forward. Stay tuned for the next episode, and try to do what you can for your neighbor.